Hi there, my name is Tristan Shiner from Manitoba Marketing. I spoke with Amanda on the phone today and decided to make this quick little video for you over at Keystone Dental Center with some tips and tricks to increase your online presence, increase your ranking on Google, because especially in today's age, Google is very much a juggernaut for businesses, and it is 100% worth it to optimize what Google can do for your business. So I'm going to jump right into it. It's going to be super short. I'm just going to go over three things, and these three things are purely educational. If you feel I have something to offer, then please reach back out to me at the end of the video. If not, this is just some free information for you guys. So let me jump right into it. First off, I'm going to start with content. So Google likes a lot of words and a lot of content on websites. Now, I know a lot of people don't necessarily like a lot of content on their homepage, which is fine. It's very much nicer, if that's proper English, to have a aesthetically pleasing homepage because it's going to draw people into your website and keep them looking. Because there have been studies shown that most people only stay on a website for about like 30 seconds or something like that. If it's not pleasing to their eye, they're not going to keep going and keep looking at it. So in order to keep your website strong, though, you have to have back pages with lots of content. And the reason for lots of content needed is because Google likes to scan over your website looking for keywords, key phrases in your content to help you rank higher in the organic rankings. And the organic rankings are the searches that show up just under the map pack, like the actual, not any of the ads or anything above, but just the normal appearances, I guess I'll say. So the more keywords you have, the more content you have, sorry, the more keywords you're able to shove into it and make your business, your website relevant to Google's eyes when people do generic searches like Brandon Dentist, Brandon Manitoba Dentist, anything like that. Another thing that you can do just content wise is you can actually save pictures as keywords. So I'll go in here and right click this and save image. I won't actually save it, but as you can see, it's just a mess of numbers and letters. What we can actually do is we can go in and optimize all your pictures to make them keywords, because Google actually will recognize that and use that as another out for content. Next I'm going to look at is backlinks. So a backlink is any link that links back to your website. They're the most useful tool to have, the most useful part of a website to help you rank. The more backlinks you have, the better, generally. Now, I say that, I also have to say that not all backlinks are made equal. And I will explain that further in a second. But as we can see here, you guys have 7 referring domains. So just any domain that has a link back to your website. You've got 7 domains giving you 13 backlinks. And then 91 keywords, which is actually pretty good. That's quite a bit of keywords. Your organic traffic, you've got roughly 237 people going on your site every month. If we flick over to Princess Dental, they are the #1 spot, the #1 ranking website in the organic rankings for Brandon Dentists. And as we can see here, these guys have just over 7,000 backlinks compared to your guys' 13, but they've only got them coming from 48 domains. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I was going to explain further to why backlinks are not made equal. Backlinks all have different strengths and different ratings. So this number here can basically tell us how strong this website's backlinks are. It's a 2.4. So that's not very strong at all. being that they have just over 7,000 backlinks, that tells me that Google thinks that a lot of their backlinks are spammy. So for backlinks to rank high for your website, they have to be relevant to your business. And Google knows all these things. They have algorithms and codes that tell them when backlinks are getting a little bit spammy. And they will not appreciate websites that just use spammy backlinks, because it's not any good for them. So the one reason that I can think of why they are still in the top spot, they do have 7,000 backlinks, which is still a very large amount. They still have a big number of strong backlinks. They've also got 563 keywords ranking on their website. So they've got a lot of keywords that Google has found on their website that helps them rank high in the organic rankings. But yeah, so backlinks are not all made equal. They have to be relevant to your business in order for them to be strong for your business and actually help out your ranking on Google. The next thing I'm going to take a look at, or the last thing, is citations. So citations are your business name, number, and address listed in any directory on Google, such as Yelp or Yellow Pages or the Better Business Bureau. The more citations you have, the better, and citations help you rank in the Google Map Pack, which is honestly these days one of the most important places to rank high, because lots of people do not go further than that. Think about if you personally were looking for an electrician or a plumber, you would search up plumber Brandon, Manitoba. You'd go to that little map pack and look at everyone's reviews and ratings. And you wouldn't go necessarily any farther than that. So it's very important to rank high in the Google Map Pack. So we can go in, we can get 100, 200, 300 citations for your website and absolutely dominate the Google Map area. So those are the three things that I had for you guys. Please, if you have any questions about anything that I talked about, or anything that you want to ask me about, anything that you know about at all, please reach back out to me and we can go from there. Thank you very much.